Hi guys, as always, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install this custom-made Bobby unit. Welcome to Trish One-on-One, where confidence in individuality is beautiful. Guys, don't mind me. Sorry for looking kind of crazy. I just wanted to show you guys this unit that I just made, and I'm going to be installing tomorrow. So this is a bob. I already cut it and I just washed it, and now I'm going to put it on the mannequin to dry for tomorrow. Now I'm going to wear this in a center part tomorrow. Don't mind this one that I have on my head either. I just made this. I'm obsessed, guys. I'm really obsessed. I like making wigs and wearing them. Now I'm combing it out because I want it to air dry. I don't like using the blow dryer on my units. And of course you all know Sam. Say hi to Sam. He's not the prettiest, but his head fits just right. Now, there you go. I put it in my center part, and I am going to let it air dry, and then in the morning we will continue. That's my TV, guys, don't mind. Didn't expect that. Get into the weather. Anywho, there, so it's in a center part, and I'm gonna let it air dry as I said, and then I will style it. And don't look at my no lashes and my no eyebrows, guys. Please just focus on the mannequin. There you go. I am back, and this is how the unit has dried. I let it air dry overnight, and this is the finish. Now today I am not going to flat iron it because I don't always like it when my hair is super sleek and neat. Sometimes I do rock the messy natural look. So this is the air dry finished product. So this is how I'm going to be wearing it. Now I am going to go ahead, move my head tie, and begin my install. For this unit, I am going to be using a stocking cap. I don't normally use stocking caps, but this 4x4 closure is a transparent closure. So if I don't use a stocking cap, then it's only going to be picking up my hair, which then gives it a no scalp look, and we want it to look as natural as possible, so we need the appearance of scalp. Just tucking my edges under the stocking cap. Yeah, I don't need anything to be out, and I pull my stocking cap just a little back, as you can see, to leave some of my hairline. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the unit, and this is it, guys. So it's a 4x4 unit. It's a transparent lace, but I did apply some of my foundation on it. because I really didn't want to have to use a ball cap, but it turns out that I still do, and this is a dome cap, and I went ahead and put an elastic in. So I'm going to go ahead and slip it up. Looks kind of crazy, doesn't it? And I am going to be wearing this unit in a center part. I don't normally do center parts. I normally do to this side, but I am trying something new to see how it suits me. And you just go ahead and you adjust the unit. Okay, so as you can see, I'm having the scalp right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and define the part a little bit more. And now I am going to go ahead and do some edges, just a little bit. So I normally pin this back. Okay guys, so I am back and it's about 3 to 4 minutes later since I tied my edges down, and now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the head tie. Sorry guys. Now what I'm gonna do to finish off is put some of my Trishelles weightless serum in, and don't worry, I'm coming out with this as well very shortly, and a little goes a long way, so you just need a bit. And I apply it over the hair to give it some shine and gloss. And that's my install. So you can see the edges there. My center part is not looking bad, and as you can see, the hair has like a little bit of a beach wave look going on, and this is why sometimes I don't necessarily flat iron my hair. I just like to wear it in a natural style. I'll show you guys the back as normal. You're gonna hear my chair spinning. So this is the back. Just a little bob on my shoulders there. And you can see that it's also shiny back there. That's what Trishelles weightless hair serum does. And this is it, guys. 4x4 custom made Trishelles wig halo, and there you go. So until next time with Trish 1-on-1, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your support, guys.